Welcome, today I've with me Motorola Moto G82 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to remove ringtone you should swipe to the left side, that's blue dot, and that's it. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Here on the right side of our device we have the volume buttons, so just press one up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that click on the three dots. Here you will see the same ringtone volume panel, and just to mute ringtone swipe to the left side, that's blue dot, and then click here to done to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.